Welcome back, everyone. We are now at the 4-month mark of this incredible 25-way trim restoration product test. If you haven't been following, these are 2 panels from a Chevy Avalanche that sit outside 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Here's the last 30 days weather. Pretty mild, not crazy hot, had a decent amount of precipitation. The gray panel is from a 2003 Chevy Avalanche bed cover, and the black one is from a 2005. The gray panel has 2 coats of each product. The black one has 1. If you want to support the channel, please consider doing so through Patreon, patreon.com/ScottHD. And all of these products are purchased out of my own pocket. So if you want to help by supporting and you like what you see in this video, click on the link in the description to purchase the products through my Amazon Associates link. It does help me out. 100% of the money that comes in from this channel goes right back into purchasing these products. I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing this for the education, for myself, for our clients, and of course for you guys. So if I can help just one person, this is great. I am completely unsponsored. I don't accept any sponsorships. I've turned down several from some of these manufacturers and others. Not going to cave and not going to do it because then it affects the bias. This is completely unbiased test. So on the gray panel, Armor All Outlast. I believe that one's still going. It's looking all right. Forever Black, we called that failed around the 90-day mark. It's really not looking very good on the gray panel. Wipe New and Cerakote both doing well. That black stuff doing outstanding. It's more of a matte finish, but it's also a dye too, so I don't know if I'd recommend that on a gray panel. Shine Supply Trim Paint, same deal. Malco Epic Revive looking good. Solution Finish, pretty faded. Nano Cotex also looking okay. So Kiwi Shoe Dye, that's the impressive one on this black panel. $3. Turtle Wax Trim still doing all right. Armor All Outlast, and of course Forever Black, we also called that failed at the 90-day mark. You can see it's pretty gone, as well as Adam's New Black. So Wipe New, you can see that I changed the angle here so you can kind of see the gloss. And Wipe New, it's not quite as uniform as it once was, but Cerakote is. So those 2 products, they're very similar, and you're seeing similar results. But Cerakote seems like it's retaining the gloss a little better. That black stuff, more of a matte finish, but it is doing very good. TLC Ceratrim, I think we're going to call that one failed now at the 4-month mark. Shine Supply Trim Paint looking great. Malco Epic Revive. Solution Finish looking okay, but it is faded a little bit. Nano Cotex Regen as well. So there's a little more up close of TLC Ceratrim. I'm trying to get it the best I can on camera. It looks darker in the video than it really is in person. So we're going to call that failed, even though there's just a little bit left. So here's where everything sits. Sits outside behind our shop, exposed to the elements, gets the western sun very well. So here is your spreadsheet, so you can see how everything is held up. Anything in red is a recent failure for this video. So there you go, guys. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, subscribe, and of course, comment down below. Stay tuned for the next update. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends.